Hello guys, heartily welcome to That Coding Bro. Now let's go to our today's problem. Write a C program to calculate the average of three numbers using the division operator. See, this question is up to here the question is enough. To increase the difficulty, this part is included. If you get this part, no issues. Write a C program to calculate the average of three numbers. Okay, we need to write a program to calculate the average of three numbers. Okay, first of all, what is meant by average? Sum of observations divided by number of observations. That's it. This is the formula for average. See, as you can see, total number of sum of all numbers means sum of observations. See, sum of numbers divided by number of items in the set. In this case, they told that to calculate the average of three numbers means the denominator is 3 in this case. If the average of 4 numbers, then denominator is 4. If the denominator is 5, then number of items is 5. Okay, the denominator is number of items. Okay, now let's discuss this question in detail. Now, for example, the question is fixed that it is for 3 numbers. At last, I will give a thought for how to do this for 5 numbers, 6 numbers, 7 numbers. Anything, it is fine. Now let's see, it is for 3 numbers. First of all, let us take 3 numbers. The numbers are 20, 40, 60. Now what is the formula? Sum of observations. Sum of observations means 20 plus 40 plus 60. 60 plus 40, 100, 100 plus 20, 120 divided by number of observations. What is the number of observations? 3, right? 1, 2, 3. So 120 by 3, it's 40. So answer is 40. Okay. How we did this? First we need to store these values and we need to do sum divided by 3 because they told that for every case there are only 3 numbers. So every time 3. Okay. This is the thing. In case of another example, see here the number are 25, 45, 65. What is the sum of observations? 25, 45, 65. What is the sum? 135, right? Now divided by how many numbers? 3 numbers. So divided by 3. 135 by 3, 45. This is the answer. In case of this thing, 40 is the answer. In case of this thing, 45 is the answer. Okay. Now let's move on to algorithm. It is very simple. The formula is sum of observations divided by number of observations. Okay. Now let's coming to algorithm. For every algorithm, I use it to do the same thing. First line, last line is same. Okay. First, we need to store 3 numbers. So I declared 3 numbers, num1, num2, num3. These 3 input numbers means I need to take these numbers from input. And we are calculating average. So a variable average. Okay. Prompt the user means tell the user to enter 3 numbers. I am asking the user to enter 3 numbers. And where I need to store these 3 numbers? num1, num2, num3. After storing in num1, num2, num3, what I need to do? Create a variable named sum and store num1 plus num2 plus num3. I store the sum as num1 plus num2 plus num3. Now what is average? Sum by number of observations. Here number of observations is 3. 3 means I kept 3.0 because if for example think 125 by 4. What is 125 by 4? For us, 4 out of 125, 4 3s are 12, 0.5 means we will get 50. For 50 what we need to do? 12 4s are 48, right? 3.12 we will get. 3.125. Is it true? 3.125. If you write 125 by 4, you will get 3 directly. If you write 125 by 4.0, then you will get the fractional part. Okay, so that we need to write 3.0. What if you write directly 3? You will not get this fractional part. You will get only this thing. After full stop, you will not get this thing. So that I need to write 3.0. This is the use of 3.0. Okay. Now display the average. The average value is average because the value is stored in this average, right? Now this average value will be get here. Okay. This is algorithm. You write this algorithm on a page, then we will convert this program. See the program, every line, each and every line. See, this hash include sto.h int main. These lines are same for every program and return 0 closing bracket. Okay. Now, as I told, first step, what is in algorithm? Declare num1, num2, num3, three variables, and declare average. Okay. And prompt the user, means tell the user to enter the three numbers. So how to tell in C? By using printf. Now I am reading those values. How can I read? By using scanf, right? I stored in num1, num2, num3. Now average is equals to sum of numbers num1 plus num2 plus num3 divided by 3.0. Now I am telling that the average of first number, second number and third number is this. First number, second number, third number is average. That's it. This is the program. The program is very simple. Now I will execute this program. I am copying the same program into the compiler, GDB online compiler, and I will execute the program. And one thing, you may have doubt that I want to find average of 5 numbers, 6 numbers, 7 numbers. How to do? Here, in case of declaring up to num3, you need to declare num4, num5, num6, like that. Based on your question, if num5 up to here, num6 up to here, in case of num7 numbers, then up to here. Okay. And in case of average of 5 numbers, here you need to write 5.0. In case of 6, you need to write 6.0. In case of 7, you need to write 7.0. This is the difference. For number 3 number average, this is the answer. In case of 5, it is the answer. 6, it is the answer. 7, it is the answer. This is the thing which I told at the starting. For those people who want average for 5 numbers, 6 numbers, 7 numbers, it is the procedure. Okay. Now let's move on to executing this program. Now let's go to execution. Hope you people can see the GDB online. See, as it is, I wrote copy pasted the same program. Now I am running this program. See, first line I declared all the things. Printf, it printed that enter 3 numbers. This is the use of printf. Now it is waiting to enter 3 numbers, right? Scanf. So that I am entering the 3 numbers. One is 10, 20, 40. No 40, 50, 60. 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 60, 90. 90 by 3, 30, right? So it will be a good division. So that now I am hitting the enter button. See, the average of 10, 20 and 60 is 30. Hence we got right answer. Okay. This is the thing. We done our program. If you like this program, comment something in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like. They are the things, but don't forget to comment. If you comment, I will get the things which you people are not understanding, or if you are happy with the video, so that I will improve my my things in next video. Okay. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.